Welcome to the world of flour made by Młyny Szczepanki. In a place where family tradition is intertwined with modernity and flour production is our passion pursued with the utmost care, let's explore our world. Our mill, as a precursor of this solution in Poland, is powered by wind energy, thanks to which we obtain ecological electricity, thus also taking care of the environment. We have been delivering flour of the highest quality to industrial plants, retail chains, wholesalers and bakeries for over 25 years. Our clients in the country and abroad, mainly in Lithuania, process it into various types of products, which then reach customers in Poland and abroad. Let's explore our world. The raw material that is supplied to our mills must meet a number of requirements so that it allows you to produce flour of the highest quality. Qualified employees of the Quality Control Department make a qualitative assessment of the grain. Performing basic and rheological tests allows for the classification of grain. Thanks to this, we can divide it with the purpose of producing baking flour, pastry flour, pasta and specialty flour. We store selected grain in the warehouse. It allows us to make a milling mixture, and the raw material prepared in this way goes straight to the mill. The modern mill is automated and full of specialized machinery, and the job of the miller looks completely different than in the past. Modern machines enable us to grind huge amounts of grain every day. The whole process is supervised and carefully monitored by a miller from the control room. It's his responsibility to create flour mixtures. We are at the heart of our mill. It is here where the most important stage of the whole process takes place, milling of grain. Purified and moistened grain goes to the roller mills. After detachment of the cover in the form of bran from the endosperm and appropriate fragmentation, growths from which flour is made are formed. The entire production process is closed and product safety is confirmed by certified food safety systems. Bran and fodder middlings resulting from cereal milling constitute a very important source of food in animal husbandry, especially for dairy cows and sows. They favorably affect the milk yield of animals. They also have very good dietary properties. The flour produced is stored in flour silos. The decision about its intended use is taken in the control room of the mixing room. The release of the finished product can take place in bulk, for example by filling in a flour cart or passing onto packaging lines where the flour is bagged or packaged. The packaging of flour into bags is handled by modern machines which, after programming and feeding empty bags, carry out the rest of the process automatically under the supervision of the employee. The finished bags are transported to the palletizer on which the goods are secured. Pallets prepared in this way are ready for shipment. The flour in 1 kilogram packages is also packed on a dedicated line. It is here where the flour made in famous Młyny Szczepanki such as cake, wrocławska or luxurious flour get their clothes and are ready to set out into the world to make more and more customers satisfied thanks to its excellent quality. A very important element of the whole process is the quality control system. Flour, before leaving the premises of our plant, is repeatedly checked to ensure that it meets all the requirements of our customers. We make a qualitative assessment of the finished product in the company's laboratory and bakery. We check the parameters of the flour in terms of usefulness for baking on devices such as a mylograph, alveograph, and farinograph, and the whole quality control process ends with trial baking. Młyny Szczepanki enjoys trust among customers, and our flour is appreciated by the most demanding individual customers, bakers, confectioners and industrial plants, because it is characterized by the required parameters and high quality. Every day, the best specialists with extensive experience do their best to make sure flour is made in line with the highest quality.